Is it safe to install APK on Samsung Smart TV?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a hot topic. Is it safe to install APK on Samsung Smart TV? APK files, for those of you who may not be familiar, are Android application package files, the format used by the Android operating system for distribution and installation of mobile apps.
What is APK installation?
APK installation essentially refers to manually installing applications on your device, rather than through an official store such as Google Play Store or the Samsung Store. This could involve downloading the APK file from a website and then loading it onto your device.
Is it safe to install APK files?
Whether it's safe or not depends on a few factors. Generally, the concern with APK files is that since they are not vetted by an official app store, they may contain malware or other harmful software. It's important to note that not all APK files are harmful. They can be completely safe when obtained from trusted sources. However, it's equally crucial to understand that it's riskier than installing apps from the official store, as those go through stringent security checks.
Is it safe for Samsung Smart TVs?
While we talked about mobile devices earlier, the same principles apply to Samsung Smart TVs. These devices run on a version of the Android OS, and thus, they can technically install APK files. However, Samsung Smart TVs don't readily provide an option to install APK files, as it's generally not recommended for security reasons. So, if you're thinking about installing an APK file on your Smart TV, you should proceed with caution.
What precautions should you take?
If you still decide to install an APK file on your Samsung Smart TV, please consider these precautions. 1. Ensure that the APK comes from a trusted source. This reduces the chances of installing malicious software. 2. Use a reliable antivirus scanner to check the APK file before installation. Though it's not a foolproof method, it adds an extra layer of security. 3. Check app permissions carefully before installation. Avoid installing apps that require permissions irrelevant to their functionality. In conclusion, while it is technically possible to install APK files on a Samsung Smart TV, it's generally not advised due to potential security risks. If you choose to do so, take precautions to ensure you're not unintentionally installing harmful software. We hope this video has provided useful insights. Stay safe and enjoy your viewing experience.